So if I am experiencing anger, it is very easy to say I am angry. But if I am experiencing happiness, it is very easy to say I am happy, or you are angry, you are happy, right? But you or I are not our emotions. We have emotions. So it's a huge difference between saying I am angry or saying I have the emotion of anger or sadness or joy, right? So our emotions are not us. We have the emotions. And that is a crucial difference, right? Because when I say I am angry, then it almost feels like I have no choice in the matter. But when I say I have the emotion of anger, then I have something else and then I can do something with it. I can choose to let it go if I want to, right? So, emotions, it is very important to not equate it with who we are. People are not angry, people are not upset. They have the emotion of anger or upset or frustration and so on. And separating this out is very different because when we equate ourselves with the emotion that we are experiencing, instead of we having the emotion starts having us, right? So do you have anger or does the anger have you?